I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contributions to ensure internal security of my country. Jai Hind. The pledge properly, and if you have listened to it, it carries the essence of the day. Every word in the pledge talks about the fabric of this great nation. If you try to search for the geographical limits of a nation, you will find it in Google or in the Google Earth maps, etc., the geographical tools. But in reality, if you go around, how do you find these differences? Where do you find these differences? How do you know that you have traveled from Pathanamthitta to Trivandrum, or from Kerala to Tamil Nadu to Karnataka? How do you identify? Okay, one child said languages, very good. Other than languages, if I remove all the boards and banners, will you be able to find the location? How will you find out? Map also is not there with you. Now how will you find? You don't have any tools. You have only, you are traveling alone. How do you find out in which place you are? By communicating with the people there. By communicating with the people. So what is most important for a nation? Is it district names, state names, nation names? What is more important? What is more important? The community of what? Community is formed of the people. So, a country becomes the leader when its people are strong. Because the children or the next generation, the youth of this country should realize its power, should understand that it begins with them and it will not end with them, but it will be transferred to the next generation which is going to come forward in the years. No nation has built on boundaries and walls and all those things. Even if you see the great walls of China or any country that you take, they too are not invisible. Everything in this world is invincible. With latest technology and tools, everything can be broken. But what cannot be broken is the spirit of the people of the nation. If you feel that it is your country, you belong to this country, apart from all the decisive forces. If you walk out today, you will find many number of forces that are disturbing the nation. There will be people on the name of caste, creed, religion, language, creating barriers among each other. But if you see, every human has only one life, and if he saves his life for the future of his nation, the nation will develop, will progress. It is only possible to happen through the children or the coming generation, because adults won't change. Their mindsets don't change easily. But for children, they are the future of this nation, and definitely they can initiate that change. That is the reason why these all celebrations take place in every KV.
श्रेया, मैं अनन्या। राष्ट्रीय एकता दिवस 31 अक्टूबर को मनाया जाता है। यह दिवस सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल जी की जयंती के रूप मनाया जाता है। सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल एक महान नेता और स्वतंत्र सेनानी थे। राष्ट्रीय एकता दिवस शुरुआत दिल्ली में भारत सरकार द्वारा 31 अक्टूबर को 2014 को किया गया था। इस दिवस का उद्घाटन प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी द्वारा किया गया था। सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल जी ने 500 से अधिक रियासतों को भारत में मिलाकर एक नए भारत का निर्माण किया था। उन्होंने देश के प्रत्येक नगरियों को एकता के महत्व के बारे में समझाया था। स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी भारत के प्रथम गृह मंत्री सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल जी को समर्पित है। देश के प्रति उनकी निष्ठा और योगदान को याद करते हुए राष्ट्रीय एकता दिवस मनाता है। अब कुछ प्रश्न।
आपका पहला प्रश्न, भारत में राष्ट्रीय एकता दिवस कब मनाया जाता है? मैं अपना प्रश्न दोहराता हूँ। भारत में राष्ट्रीय एकता दिवस कब मनाया जाता है? उत्तर 31 अक्टूबर। दूसरा प्रश्न, भारत का कौन सा राज्य सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल को समर्पित स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी का घर है? मैं अपना प्रश्न दोहराता हूँ। भारत का कौन सा राज्य सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल को समर्पित स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी का घर है? उत्तर गुजरात। तीसरा प्रश्न, स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी कहाँ स्थित है? मैं अपना प्रश्न दोहराता हूँ। स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी कहाँ स्थित है? उत्तर केवड़िया।